नमस्ते, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुधागा इंदौर से. Today Friday 2 p.m. and we are back with our flagship product, that is Ajrak cotton suit set. If you like the videos, please hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out any our new launch our products. Before starting showing all the products, let me just give you some description about the products. So you can see it's a pure cotton suit sets, 60-60 cotton. It's very comfortable. These are hand blocks suit sets. To enhance the beauty of the products, used handmade handcrafted tassels, you can see, and these are 2.5 each fabric. This is kurti and this is bottom. If you want, you can make the two kurtis also, and if you want, you can make the two suit sets, full suit set also. So choice is totally yours. So now let me start showing each and every products so that you can choose your favorite color with your favorite prints. So this is the first one. It's a black kurti. This is the kurti and this is the bottom with dupatta. We'll share the pictures of each and every product as well. I'll just show you each and every piece. This is a kurti fabric, dupatta and the bottom. As I have told you, you can make the two kurtis also, and you can team up with plain pant. It's a different booty and the bottom. It's a kurti, zigzag pattern dupatta, and it's a pant. First I'm showing you the red kurti with red bottoms. It's a jal print with long buta. Now the black combination, black with cream. It's a your kurti, then your bottom and your dupatta. Then again a very small booty with a long strips and the dupatta. Last in the black, it's a jal print with the buta. So this is the complete collection on the black. You can choose your color, your combination as per your liking. Okay, and we cannot swap the combination. Sorry for that. So many people requested. Sorry for that. Okay, now let me start with the bottle green combination. Before starting the combination, let me tell you there is slightly variations in the color because these all are handmade colors. So while doing, there might be a variation. So first let me start. It's a green, bottle green color with the combination of brick red, but it's this time they have tried to give you little bit orangish look to it. So you can see the combination of this. I have displayed this piece on the dummy, so you can see it's not a proper brick color. It's little bit giving a look of orangish touch, not properly but a little bit. So just have a look, then I'll show you the combinations available with this. So this is the first exact piece I have shown on the dummy. Then the second combination, it's a bottle green again with the yellow. It's a jal print. Now the buta combination. With yellow. It's a buta. It's a buta. And this is the pant combination. And on the bottom, this is the this is your kurti fabric with the jal pattern, and the zigzag is your bottom. Then again it's a booty with the yellow combination. Then the same booty I have shown you on the dummy, it's with the yellow combination. It's a jal with zigzag. And it's a bada jal kind of butas with long strip pattern. So these are the combinations we have on green. So let me start now next with the red one. So now let me start with the combinations of the red color. So it's like this time we have tried to give the combinations something like new mix and match. So this is, you can see, it's again the orangish touch we try to give on the red color. So just see on this pattern, this combination. Let me see how much you people like it. So this is the first jal with a small butas for the your bottom. So this is the first combination we have created. Now the second combination, again a small booty, and you just see the combinations, the yellow and the greenish touch we try to give. It's little bit of fluorescent touch, just little bit, so maintain the beauty of the ajrak. And of course these tassels enhance the beauty. I just love these tassels. And a little bit big beauty with the jal print on the same combination of green and orangish brick red. So we have total 3 pieces on this. Don't miss to grab them. Now the something new, my favorite print I've got this time. It's a red brick color with the combination of cream color. It's a very soothing cream color. You just see, I just love to open this piece for you. I am wearing the combinations used. So we have total 2 pieces in it. Now let me show you the combinations of red color, brick red color with blue. So this is our first combination. Each and every piece has its unique beauty. Just see the blocks used in it to enhance the beauty. It's really so beautiful. Now the buta combinations with the small buta. And now let me show you the combination of red brick with the black. The all-time favorite combination, red with black. It's something very different booty. It's a flower. Then the small booty with black combination. And the last piece of the red brick combination, it's a flower buta with a very small bird on it and the zigzag bottom and dupatta. We'll share the pictures at the end of the video, so don't worry about that. You will get the clear pictures to choose your favorite one. Now let me start with the blue. First I'll show you the blue combination with the cream. So it's a buta with long stripes. This is the first combination. Then the second again with the cream and the tassels. Just see, colorful tassels. Now the blue with the red combinations. So this is what we had. We have in blue color. Now let me start with the yellow with green. It's a mustard yellow, a very subtle mustard color with the combination of the bottle green. So this is the first. Then we have the same set extra. Then it's a beautiful jal with the geometric print. And this combination of the bottom and the dupatta. It's a bottom, dupatta. The combination I am wearing, it's just reverse of it. It's a yellow kurti and the green, but I am wearing green with yellow. So this is the one. This is the bottom. And the last piece, this is the jal with the zigzag. So guys, hope you like the collection. So to avoid any kind of confusion, let me finally tell you about the product. So this is the bottom, this is the kurti and that is the bottom, and this is the dupatta, and these each are 2.5 meter. If you want, you can make two kurtis out of both fabric, top and bottom. If you want, you can make full suit set as well. And this is the one more combination. I have opened it so that you can see it properly. How does it look with the handmade tassels on the dupattas to enhance the beauty of the product. If you like our videos, please hit the like button. If you like our videos, don't want to miss, please subscribe our channel. And it's a time for the launch offer. So this is our launch offer. Don't miss your product. Grab them. Hope you like this video. Thank you. you so much. This is Anuja Jain from Studio Sui Dhaga. You can follow us on Instagram, studio_sui_dhaga. You can follow us on Facebook as well. You can WhatsApp us at 9039 717 636. Thank you so much.